I apologize if the quality of this video. This was sent through email and the resolution of the clips had changed. But big shout out to my classmate Oscar. Go ahead and check out his YouTube channel in the description below. I apologize in advance.
Hold up.
Hello everybody, welcome to Science. Welcome to Science with GGP. Okay, cringe. Alright. Big shout out to Oscar. Go subscribe. Yeah, boys. It's in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Big shout out to Cole. Yeah, big shout out to Cole for giving us this code. Hashtag sponsor us. Hashtag. Please. Alright. Oh, sugar. Alright, welcome back with our Science GGP, Lamel. Somebody turned off the video. We made it, Lamel. Oh. That feels weird. I need to clean. That feels... Holy moly. Get the bottom.
Oh my god, you did it so wrong.
No, it's right there. It's right here. Oh my god, are you recording me?
Oh, look.
Oh my god! Guys, look, that's hard. That is hard. That was hard a second ago.
Now we all know the show must go on, so it's all like good quality now. I apologize for that. Now our teacher let us, bring some Oobleck. Of course we put it in balloon because why not? Shall we open these up? Now I actually want to save these still, so just open it up slowly. This is actually my first Oobleck, so it was really weird. Oobleck or cornstarch? Is it cornstarch? I'm pretty sure. Welcome to Science with GGP. Oh, by the way, guys, a lot of you have been saying you guys want hashtag #AskGGP. Go ahead and leave questions down the description. Wait. Do you guys want me to do a video or a live stream of it? If you want me to do a video, go ahead and leave questions in the comment section below and I'll sure answer them. If this even opens. So like I was saying, if you have questions, comment down section below. I will sure answer them, Well, if you want to do a video of it, if you want me to live stream, then, there's a cornstarch. Oh, or Oobleck. Yes, I am kneeling. Yes, I'm in my mom's room. My mom and dad's room, because Lamel, my niece is in my room, so Lamel. Okay, as you can see, Oobleck. Is that Oobleck? Oh, okay, there you go. See, I got some Oobleck on me. Oh, so let's put that there. All right, see, Oobleck. Now, as you saw, I kind of got rid of that really easily. And now it should get back. Oh my goodness, it's dry. It's dry, look. It's dry. But, oh my god, this looks so weird. Look, guys. See? That's so liquidy, right? You can see it, liquidy. And then if I punch it, or if I tap it really hard, as you can see, nothing. I just picked that up. Look, just picked this up, and it's turning into liquid now. Oh my god, look, it's turning into liquid, and I can pick it up. Oh wow, this is awesome. All right, well, we'll see you guys in the next Science video with GameGuardPlays. We need to taste test this. Otherwise, it won't really be a Science quiz. What? Video. Right, let's test this. Oh! That tastes